There is one Bitcoin chart that I haven't seen anybody talk about, and in this video, I want to share it with you. So stick around till the end because I know you're going to enjoy this one. Before we get started, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. And let's jump in. So we have Bitcoin sitting at around $64,000. We saw a little relief rally, but if we zoom out a little bit on the 1 month, we are 20% down, and 6 months, 29% down, and in the last year, Bitcoin is down 38.5%. So we are definitely in a bear market, but let's go ahead and jump into the chart that I was going to show you. So this is a chart that I talked about in my previous video. You can go ahead and watch that one. I'll leave a link right here. And the chart that I wanted to talk about today is the Bitcoin realized price. And this chart really shows us the bottoms in Bitcoin. And usually it happens when the actual price right here goes lower than the realized price. And it happened in 2011, it happened in 2015, it happened in 2019, again in 2022, 23, and we are at 63,000 as of June 11. And you can see that the realized price of Bitcoin is around 53,500. And if we go below that realized price, then we might say that the bottom is in. You should not use this chart alone to make your decision because you want to use it with other data, with other charts that you find that show us that Bitcoin is at the bottom. We have the RSI, we have the fear and greed index, we have all kinds of confluences that we can take into consideration to determine if Bitcoin is really at the bottom. So what we can see here is basically that every time that Bitcoin went under the realized price, after that, we saw the rally that went to higher and higher prices. And we can see here that the colors basically represent the days until the halving. So we can see here the blue is right before the halving. Okay. The green is around the middle, around 600 days before the halving. And that is where we are at right now. And so we can expect the price to go slightly lower than where it is right now. Some people say that the bottom is in already, and from here we're only going upwards. But nonetheless, it is a great phase to accumulate Bitcoin. And so that is why if you accumulate at 60K or if you accumulate at 50K, it doesn't really matter when Bitcoin goes to 150, 200, 300,000. It really won't matter. But in my opinion, the way I see it, when we see the actual price go below the realized price, then we will know that for sure the bottom is in. And we saw that when we were in the blue right here, right before the halving, that the price went below the realized price, and that was COVID. That was in 2020, when COVID hit and everybody was in serious uncertainty. So I just wanted to show you this one really, really important chart that you can take into consideration with other data, with other charts that you already know. The next thing I wanted to show you here is a Bitcoin platform that I personally use and I really recommend them. And they're not paying me for this, but I just really enjoy this platform. And they have a lot of Bitcoin reserves. As you can see, they're very transparent. And the reason I really like this platform is because if you hold cash on the platform, they pay you 3.3% in Bitcoin. And you can see compared to the traditional banks, you get 0.01%, which is basically zero on the cash that you hold in the bank. So if you hold your cash on River, you get paid 3.3% every month. I really enjoy it. So if you like Bitcoin, you should really consider holding your cash on River, and I will leave a link for it in the description so you can take advantage of that as well. So these are my thoughts. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the content, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.